Hi guys, how you doing? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, or welcome to my YouTube channel. So if you are new here and haven't subscribed, please subscribe. If you are a returning subscriber, welcome. Anyways, as you all can see, I'm on my way naenda nature walk, and we are two of us. Would you say me hi?
Hi.
It's me and my cousin. So we've decided leo ni Sunday, hakuna haja ya kukaa kwa nyumba. So I decided let me take her for a nature walk. Anasikianga hii place but hajai kuja. So we are on our way there to OLOOLUA. Tunaenda OLOOLUA. This is my fourth time. Sandra, by the way, unajua ni mara yangu ya 4 nakuja OLOOLUA? Au ni mara yako ya kwanza? Mimi ni mara ya 4. So I'm coming here for the fourth time. This place is so good. Ukiona nimerudi mara 4. Hey. Hii place ni poa.
Unanifanya niwe curious.
Uko curious? Anyways, subscribe if you haven't and like this video. So let's go. Alafu, let me go confirm the charges and then I will tell you after I confirm the charges if you would like to visit that place. It is so good. Alafu tumebeba maji na some snacks. You can also do a picnic, but we were not in the mood for picnics. Anyways, let me show you the environment as we are almost there. Mnaona magari, but sisi hizi nizo gari zetu.
Oh my.
So we are almost there.
Yes.
Let's go and then confirm the price. Maybe hata kumefungwa. Tunaweza rudi. Why were you shocked? Oh, they have a lot of apples. Yeah, I also saw that, and it was like, but they are
If
maybe.
my ticket falls down, I will not be allowed to enter.
That's all with the ticket. I don't think you will. So here, guys, this is the ticket. I have paid 200, and Sandra, yours, and children is 100 bob. We are on our way.
So it's not expensive.
Yeah, it's not expensive.
So that's when they asked for 400 in the charge. Maybe even eating was involved.
Yeah, the entrance fee and the transport. Yeah. Wow, this place is so cute.
Yes.
Also,
Yes.
the waterfall sign. So, I'm tired.
I am exhausted.
You are exhausted,
Yes.
and we haven't started the hike yet,
Yes,
and
but
we feel
when
tired.
we eat,
When we eat,
we'll gain some energy.
yeah, I think when we eat, we gain some energy, as Sandra said. Wow,
Oh my, too tired.
we are too tired, and we haven't started the hike.
Yeah.
But we are not like walking because
We are going to decide.
don't have
Is
that
it a must we have a tour guide?
No, I'm your tour guide. But when we see something,
Yes.
yeah, this is a forest. You can see how big this
I think animals don't like here.
animals.
Yes.
There are a lot of monkeys.
Yes,
But
monkeys, but now
if you leave your food here, you will talk to yourself. If you leave your food, the last time, huh?
monkeys
Yeah, misbehaving by the way. But there are also people who behave like monkeys. The last time we were here,
yes.
we left we had a cake.
Yes.
Imagine the monkey came and grabbed that cake
What?
and ran away with it. The next place we should visit is Nairobi National Park. I think we should go for a game drive. What do you think? A game drive or a safari walk or animal orphanage? Which one do you prefer?
But the
So Sandra here will be my travel buddy. Ambie.
last time
Eh,
when you came,
eh.
who did you come with?
The last time
Tell.
I was with friends.
Okay.
Yeah,
Hi.
my travel buddy.
Hi.
See her hair, guys. Oh my god, everybody's looking at her hair. It is
Oh,
so
thank
big.
you.
It is so big. Her hair is so big. Wow, Ebutana. Let them see how full it looks. Oh my god.
Thank you.
So here are the seats.
Yes, we're gonna sit here.
Yeah, we are going to sit here because
Are there tour guides?
we are the tour guides.
No, in this place now. Are there tour guides?
Yeah, if you want one, you can hire one.
You pay them
Yeah, no free things.
in this world.
Yeah. Wow. I just love nature. Do you love nature? So we are here sitting down because we are tired.
Yes.
Want to
we
get
carried
some energy. Some
snacks.
snacks. But then let me show you the snacks we carried.
This is
Popcorns.
This king cake.
Yeah, these ones. Queen cake. Urban bite.
And this one's the cream.
And crackers. And juice. And also juice. Which
Yeah,
flavor did you take?
This-
Just
This one is good.
it is good.
Yes. This one, let us. But not good.
Yeah,
So
you
let us
can't.
just.
Anyways,
Which flavor do you like?
I like mango. I think the mango one was mine.
Okay, the mango.
So, anyways, guys, let's start eating and then we'll take you around.
Yeah, we are too
Tired and
tired
hungry.
and hungry.
I'm looking for a spot so that I can place my phone so that we can eat.
Yes,
Where? I'm fearing the monkeys.
we don't survive.
So I want to place this phone somewhere because yesterday I ordered a tripod and guess what? The rider just disappointed me. Imagine he was almost at my place and then he was like, "Do you know how much you're supposed to pay?" I'm like, "I was told the transport was 300." And was like, "No, it is 500 now." And then I was like, "No, you know what? Go back with it." Anyways, just that I ordered at another online shop that I don't order. I usually order my vlogging kits from Lenny Ventures. The other one that I ordered from, I even don't know them. Good thing I didn't pay. I asked them if I can pay. Anyways, why am I telling you all this? So don't mind wherever I put you guys. Just enjoy from there. Because yeah, I don't have a tripod. Anyway, subscribe if you haven't.
Yes,
Let's eat
and
fast.
click the bell.
Yeah, the notification bell.
Yes,
Yeah,
and share,
and
like,
share and like.
and comment. But
Yeah,
not bad comment.
yeah, comment. Yeah, and don't comment badly. But I don't have haters. Yo. Anyways, thank you for loving me because I don't have haters.
Bye.
So bye. So let's go to the waterfall.
lakini mimi sijashiba sana. Guys, as you can see, tunaenda kwa waterfall. Hapo unaweza kufa ama hata umie badly, na wakina Abugio ndatudanganyanga ati wanavukanga hapa na wasikufe. Hata mimi sijui hiyo. Hata sasa tulikuwa na TV tuliachanga kuona kitambo gani. Ati Pragia tena si alipatanga mahadha tena ati wakanini monkey wenye wanapatananga tena watale.
Wewe ilikuwa inabo
Ati Pragia atakufa. Pragia akikufa nani akue kama yeye anaitwa aje?
Nani?
Huyu mtoto wake huyu.
Sasa simjui.
Ako na Ria. Kiara alifanya. Na Franchi.
Kiara alikufa.
Kitambo gani? Sasa alikuwa na 27 na wengine tu wako na 29. Sasa
kama kuna kipindi ainanga mwelekeo ni kukumbagia.
Sasa Franchi ati atolewa na Randy, maisha yake ikuwe kama venye ilikuwa.
You can hear it. Yo, see, we were far. Hey, Sandra, are you sure this is the waterfall? Yeah. The more we go closer to it, the more, the more we can hear it. Whoa. Oh. You can see it finally, or not yet? Wataka kuingia? Kwani unaogopa? Usislide. Enda kwa ile. Pitia hapa. Di nini? Hidup.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning.
Nichukue niende kwa picha.
Nothing fake to me now.
Kwa picha?
Vibaya. So guys, hii ndio cave. The last time tuliingia huko ndani but unaweza ingia, imagine hakuna kitu. Tuingie. But kunanuka vibaya.
Mbona hatuwezi pita hapa? Huku ni kwa kulika kwa kitanda. Bana ukikuja sitting room hapa mapati.
Chani bushka hapa.
Kitchen ya mama iko pale, bedroom.
Chani nini? Ni muleke.
Mbona kunanuka vya?
So I even came with a torch. You can see this is the cave. Hey, hatuwezi ingia hapo Sandra.
Mbona?
Wewe enda sina kumulikia, enda ufike huko.
Kana tuliaga lakini tunanuka hata sio nini.
Kunanuka vibaya.
Ndio anaweza kuingia huko.
Oh.
Nenda. Ni moja.
So, okay, na sweat. It is so hot. Just want to go and sit down. This is the cave right here.
And it's smelling.
Yeah, it is smelling. I don't know. Ni mbali. Ama tumepotea.
Tunarudi tu vile tumekuja. Tukiona tumefika kwa cave.
Cave gani na cave tumeiacha nyuma?
Sasa hapana nasema tukiona tumepotea tunarudi nyuma. Tukiona tumefika kwa cave. Tunaenda sasa hii nyingine.
Ya watu. Wako na makelele. Waterfall. Iko?
Hapa kuna kanjeni kaenda. Nikaenda kwa waterfall, nikaingiza miguu.
Sasa mimi ningeenda nijipanguze miguu.
Sirudi. Iko karibu.
Ni mbali. I'm not falling for that trap obvious. Uliacha juice yako ikimwagika.
Wacha nirudi basi.
Hebu tuende home. Kuja tuende basi.
Wow, she's pretty. Oh, look the way she's pretty. Look at her girl. Oh my. Look at this. Look at this. Nikiweza angusha simu. Look at. Unaweza fanya nini nikiweza angusha simu? Ikuwa imepasuka. Look at this. This is the waterfall water. It is passing through here. Mnaona? Look at where I am. Oh, look at her. Look. Oh my. The smell is good and we are going out right now. We are going back home. We were not staying that much. Wow, pretty girl. Yes, we are not staying that much. Bobo, when you go out, are you allowed to come in again? Yes. So if you had left something in the car, you cannot go back for it.
Or you can go back.
But when you now, like you go in the shop, and then you come back, is that allowed? No, that is the shop of here. Let's pretend here.
Yeah, they have a shop. I think so. I think I can go back. I'm not sure. I've never tried.
But okay. Wow, the sun is lighting you up.